Well, we're at the Waverley Service Center, 1840 Chevrier. My name is Andy Larson. I am the Central Store Supervisor for Materials Management. When we got here, it was mayhem. It was materials that was required in a scale that we've never seen before. We worked through the weekend. We have now focused our efforts on a direction. We've got that direction. We are putting our resources to those tasks and to those requests in terms of getting the material out to our customers as quickly and as safely as we can.
Hey, we found a driver and we want to send him over, but...
We are trying to bring in as much material as possible from every supplier that we deal with, as well as asking suppliers to reach out to other utilities, as well as other suppliers that they may know of that we don't deal with directly, and bring in identified items related to the outages going on right now.
We're mostly tackling lack of supplies. Usually, as soon as we get stuff in, it's going out immediately. We're packaging as much as we can, getting trucks in to try and get it out to the field. It's basically just, we need everything and we need it now.
We've used all of our resources in our warehouse in terms of all of our storekeepers. We have a vast amount of resources from other areas supplying us with storekeepers in the other areas. So that's been greatly appreciated, and the demand is unprecedented.
The message to everybody would probably be that we are doing our best. We're running into hurdles, but we're trying to overcome. We're adapting where we can. We're improvising, kind of getting creative on our solutions, trying things we might not have tried before to try and get materials here. We're literally doing what we can for as long as we can and just trying to get everybody's power back on.